Oke guys, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Okay, so guys, right now we are in Uzbekistan, exactly in Wadner Islamic Center. So here we are gonna do a podcast with my friends. Okay, before let me introduce myself. My name is Amar Maulana Hamdi. I'm from 11 Network Engineering. Okay, you can introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
As an introduction, I'll start off with my name. My name is Fatih Ahmad Muzali. I come from Adian Sentul. I am a network engineer in 11th grade backpacker. I will be a speaker or a host in this.
You will be the speaker.
I will be a speaker in today's podcast. So we'll just be running down about what we've been doing, how's the Uzbekistan so far, the yada yadas. Alright, I think that should wrap up as my introduction. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay,
So it's my turn. My name is Zikri, and I'm now it's 11 software engineering. It's in Aiden Backpacker, and in this podcast I'll be host for this guy. And what's your role for this podcast?
okay, I'm a hybrid man.
Hybrid. It's like a car.
Yeah. No, not like it.
So, what's the theme for our podcast now? Maybe our journey from Turkey until Tashkent. This or what?
Okay, I think the theme for our podcast, like Zikri said, how's the feels from Turkey to Uzbekistan, and right now I will ask you, Fatih, what is the first impression of this country?
So far, for the past 2 days I've been in Uzbekistan so far. It has not been like what I expected. I expected something more traditional, more like a little more like old-fashioned style. But throughout my time in Uzbekistan, I have seen things that are not met with my expectations, such as the modern surroundings, the modern neighborhoods. I also did not expect to see all of the Chevrolets around me. I thought it'd be more like Mercedes or something like that, but no, there are Chinese cars here. Sponsored by a friend here. The Chinese cars here, there's a lot of Chevrolets here, and it's not a problem that I have, rather it's like something that I didn't expect. But so far, I haven't eaten a lot of food. In fact, I haven't eaten at all since I've been here in Uzbekistan. I've yet to try out their food. What would I rate on a scale of 1 to 10 of Uzbekistan? I would rate Uzbekistan I would rate Uzbekistan 7.5 out of 10. Reason being is that sure I like the place here, but I'm not saying like it's a wow place. It's an amazing place, but rather it's more like a nice place for tourists, things that aren't very too poppy. It's not as poppy as Medina or Turkey or Kashmir. It's not as wow as that. I'd say the city here is a 5 out of 10. It's your run-of-the-mill average town. I wouldn't say it's a city, but people call it city. I call it a town. The tourist visits here, let's say the Islamic Center that we're at right now, I give it a 8.5 out of 10. The gift shop here is amazing. They sell a vast variety of things. They sell real fur jackets, fur animals, and they sell really cool knives here. I like the design. And I guess that's about it. Again, I get to try the food. Maybe I'll talk about that later on. Thank you for listening to my side. Well, I will now pass it on to
Invitation?
What do you feel the first time in Uzbekistan?
My feel. So my first impression is like same like Fakir. I expect is too high for this country, but yeah, it's still good. It's not bad, but yeah, it's kind of like a Turkish building, or I think it's like Egypt
Yes.
because it's not a modern city, and is a people are here is less than Turkey because when in Turkey everywhere is people walking on the way in the way, and here no one like that. I don't know, maybe that's their habit is like Indonesia, no one walking on the way, but they used to they yes, they usually use a car, and and mostly the brand of the car over here is what Chevrolet. Because in Uzbekistan, if you use Chevrolet, the tax is free. But if you use other brand, maybe it's like Toyota, the tax is 100%. So that's why people in Uzbekistan people,
Are easy.
yeah, yes, they use Chevrolet for their daily car.
Oh,
So maybe that's my opinion for my first impression. How about you?
okay. I expect not too much, but I think it's like the underrated country that in backpacker because of the first one, it's cheaper than before. Like if you compare this country to Turkish, it's cheaper. Or even if you compare this country to Saudi Arabia, oh man, it's very contrast. So it look like Indonesian currency is not too much the price. And when the first time I bought in Fit Up, that's like a food restaurant, and there I bought burger and cola. It's around 1,500 salt. Or 300, yes.
50,000.
50,000, sorry, 50,000. 50,000 you got like burger, potato, and cola. Yes. Like I said, it's an underrated country. And for the merchandise like keychain or something like that, it's not too high. The price. Okay, I think we should to close this podcast, right?
It's solid 8 minutes. So maybe we have to close this podcast. How close? So maybe that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.